Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today our topic is past continuous tense, and as I already explained you the identification with examples of past continuous tense, today we will do its translation. So let me show you its formulas again so that uh, it can refresh in your mind. Students, this is the formula of past continuous tense positive. First of all, we will write the subject, okay, and then was or were. We will choose according to the subject, and after choosing helping verb, ing form of verb, we will use ing form of verb plus object. And what is the formula of negative sentence? To make negative sentence, first of all we will write the subject, then was or were according to the subject we will choose, and then not after writing was not or were not, okay, and then again ing form of verb plus object. And next is interrogative, formula of interrogative sentence. To make interrogative sentences, students, first of all helping verb will come first, okay, was or were. According to the subject we will choose was or were, okay. So first of all was or were, then subject, then ing form of verb, and then object, and in the end question mark. So these were the formulas of past continuous tense. Now let's start how to do its translation. Okay students, look at number 1. वो तेज दौड़ रहा था. Okay, here first of all we will write, this is the positive sentence. वो तेज दौड़ रहा था. As I told you that in Urdu sentences, in the end of Urdu sentences there comes रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी वगैरह, okay. And if the sentence is negative, you can see this word nahi. And if the sentence is interrogative, in the first of the Urdu sentence the word will be kya, like this, क्या वो खत लिख रहा था. And in the end, if you see in the end question mark, and in the beginning kya, or in the end question mark, both of these are the identification of interrogative sentence, okay. Okay, वो तेज दौड़ रहा था. Now first of all we will see which is the subject here, wo. But wo is used for he and she and they. So how we understand that which subject? As you can see in the end, raha tha, okay, tha tells us about, this sentence is about he. So he was, with he we use was, as I explained you in my previous lecture. He was, then ing form of verb. So here's the verb, this is the verb run. So with the first form of verb we will add ing, running, fast. He was running fast. Number 2, तुम कहानी सुना रहे थे. Here which is the subject, students? You. And with you we will use the helping verb were. You were telling, okay, telling, tell is the verb, so we will add ing. You were telling, what you are telling? A story. Number 3, लोग पतंगे उड़ा रहे थे. लोग, people were, fly, and we will add ing with fly with the form of verb, first form of verb flying. So people were flying. What they were flying? Kites. People were flying kites. Okay, number 4. चपरासी घंटी नहीं बजा रहा था. Students, now you can see this word नहीं. Okay, it means this is the negative sentence, and where we use not, addition of not. So chaprasi, the peon was, because the peon was not ringing, ring, and we will add ing, ringing what? The bell. The peon was not ringing the bell. Next, number 5. मैं पैदल नहीं चल रहा था. I is the subject. First of all, we will write the subject I, then helping verb with I. The helping verb is helping verb we will choose? Was. I was नहीं, not, चल, go, and with the first form of verb we will add ing, going. I was not going पैदल, on foot. Next one. क्या वो खत लिख रहा था? Interrogative mark, question mark, you can see it means this is the interrogative, and here we will use the interrogative formula of past continuous tense. And as I told you that in interrogative sentence the helping verb comes first. In all interrogative sentences helping verb comes first. क्या वो खत लिख रहा था? वो खत लिख रहा था, it means they are talking about he. So he, and according to he we will choose the helping verb was. So was he writing, with the first form of verb ing, writing what? A letter, and in the end question mark. Okay, next one. क्या बच्चे शोर मचा रहे थे? Again you can see the question mark, so it is also interrogative sentence. क्या बच्चे, now they are talking this sentence is talking about more than one, so we use were. Children, so with children we use were children making a noise, and in the end question mark. Number 8. वो बुरी तरह रो रही थी. Now this is this positive sentence, because you can see there is no question mark in the end, and there is no use of nahi or kya. Okay, so this is simple positive sentence. वो बुरी तरह रो रही थी. She, थी. Okay, थी means she. So she was, we will use after subject helping verb was. So with she the helping verb is was. She was रो रही. Weep, weeping. बुरी तरह bitterly. She was weeping bitterly. Next, number 9. हम एक साथ सफ़र नहीं कर रहे थे. नहीं. Okay, so which sentence is this? Negative of past continuous. So हम, we, were, helping verb with we use were. We were not, सफ़र travel, travel, traveling. This is a verb, so we will add ing. Traveling, एक साथ, together. We were not traveling together. Number 10. सुबह बारिश हो रही थी. सुबह बारिश हो रही थी. Now we will use the subject it. Okay? We will not start from morning because this is the first word. Okay? No, this is not the subject. So we will write it. For rain, the sentence start with it. It was raining in the morning. Okay, it was raining in the morning. So students, write these 10 sentences on your English grammar notebooks. Okay, and also do practice of these Urdu sentences into English. Okay, without seeing all of these sentences. Okay, just first of all try to solve it by yourself. Okay, so that you can understand how much you learn about this tense. Do this work and take care.